Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka and welcome to my science channel. So we usually say science is easy and hard at the same time, but it all depends on our mentality or all how we learn actually. Science, if we correlate with the nature or with the surroundings, then it's nothing. It's not a rocket science. So let me tell you about one chapter, one topic with the surroundings like plants. I'll be explaining the plants chapter with my surrounding. I'll take you to my little garden. Let's see what is here. So basically, you all know in your surroundings, you have seen the different types of plants, trees of different size, shape, and even different colors. So I'll be telling you about three types of plants today, like herbs, shrubs, and trees. Let us see what are herbs. Herbs are nothing but these small plants with very soft stem. Let us take the example. Let's see. This spinach. This is a spinach here, and you can see the stem. These have very soft stem. Okay, so these are basically leaves, and this is stem that is a very short height, and they have very soft stem. Okay, they are very small. So these are herbs. Then example like spinach and many more example grass. These are herbs and usually we use it to make the different medicines. Next we move to the shrub. Shrub has usually more height comparatively to the herbs, and they have thick stem comparatively to the herbs. Let us take the example. This chili plant I have, you can see the stem. This stem is quite thick. The stem is quite thick here, and the many branches are coming from the base. So shrub की main quality is that it has thick stem comparatively to the herbs, and it has many branches from the base. Okay, like the example is like rose plant, chili plant, China rose. So these all are the examples of shrubs. Then if you move to the tree, you all know tree. So there are different varieties of trees. Banyan tree are there, neem tree are there. There are so many. If we take the example of here lemon tree, so lemon tree we're talking about, it is called as shrub also, and we take it as tree also. So it's a long shrub and tree also. Like you can say that it has a thick stem and many branches are coming out, and comparatively height is more. Okay, so these are the different types like herb, shrub, and tree. You all know basically about all these things. The next thing, creepers and climbers. Now, what is the difference between creepers and climbers? The common thing is that they both have the weak stem. They both have weak stem. They cannot stand upright. वो अपने सपोर्ट पे सीधा भी नहीं खड़े रह सकते. So they need support. So for creepers and climbers, what is the basic difference? Like see, climbers mean that climb something on it. It climbs on something. So climbers climb करते हैं and creepers just spread on the ground. Let us take the example here. I'll show you. There I have the bottle gourd Leah. Okay, that is taking the support here. This is the bottle gourd here, and that is taking support here. I've given the support on the wooden stand. So here it's a climber. Bottle gourd is a climber that is taking this support because it cannot stand upright. Fine. Now as I said, the creeper is also having the weak stem. So we also, but it is spreading on the ground. Like I said, the example of pumpkin. I have pumpkin here. You can see these big leaves are of pumpkin, and that is spreading on the ground here. Okay, so creeper cannot stand upright. We should not give this. We should not climb them because like pumpkin is really a big fruit. So we cannot give them support. They cannot stand upright because बड़ा fruit है तो that will not stand upright. That will fall. तो हम क्या करेंगे? Creepers में it usually spread on the ground. So watermelon, melons जो भी है, watermelon, muskmelon, pumpkin, they all are creepers. So the basic difference between creeper and climber is this only, that creeper is spreading on the ground and climber is moving on the support. We are giving some support. Like basic example of climber is money plant. You can see around in your surrounding easily money plant. There you can see that is spreading on the we are giving some space, we are climbing them with the wall. So this is creeper, climber. So let's sum up all these things. Herbs are very small and have tender stem, or generally we can say soft stem. Shrub are quite bigger than the herb and have thick stem, and they have many branches from the bottom, from the base. Then if we move out about trees are many and they have many branches, woody stem and very thick. Okay, like I had given you the example of lemon tree. So creeper and climbers, they need support because they have very weak stem. So creeper generally spread on the ground and climber climb on some support. So this is what about the type of plants. Rest we'll study in the next class. Thank you and keep watching.